In this video, I will show you how to upload your videos the right way to get more views. If you have been using the YT Studio app or the YouTube streaming app to upload, that is by clicking on the plus sign in the middle of the screen, then you are doing the right thing the wrong way. Let me show you how to upload your videos the right way to position your video to get more views, starting right now. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is to go to your Google Chrome. Open a new browser and type studio.youtube.com/channel. Enter. This will automatically take you to your YouTube page. Now, this is like using a desktop when you are uploading, and this is almost the way it looks like. And there's an arrow below it pointing upwards. If you click on create, you will see upload, go live, create post, new playlist, new podcast. If you click on the arrow, it equally takes you to this next page where it allows you to upload. So either you click on create or you click on the arrow. So now that we're on this page, we're going to select either this arrow pointing upwards or select file. Either of them is fine. This will take you to your folder where you get to select your video. At this point, I want to believe that you have already finished making your video and you're finished designing your thumbnail. So I'm just going to select my video. You can see that I've already renamed my video. So I'll select my video. Give it time to upload. So because I've already renamed my video, automatically the name just comes up just the way it is, and that's just the way I want it. This makes it easier for anybody who is searching, be it on Google or any website. If they search anything related to this, it automatically pops up because the algorithm has already registered the name of your video, the name of your file name as the title of your video. Next, we are going to go to description. So you just go ahead and type in your description just like that. I already had my description written, so I simply just copied and pasted it right here. Now, when it comes to thumbnail, you're going to see three different options to put a thumbnail, and this is one feature that you are not going to see if you're using the other YouTube app to upload your video. So here you're going to see upload file, auto-generated, test and compare. Upload file means you're going to upload your designed YouTube thumbnail. Auto-generated means when you upload your video and you do not have a thumbnail on it, the YouTube algorithm is just going to automatically pick any frame of your video and make it your thumbnail. Test and compare simply means you're going to put three different thumbnails and YouTube algorithm is going to serve the three thumbnails to your subscribers, and then the one that is clicked on the most, that one automatically becomes the final thumbnail that is going to appear on the video. So I'm going to upload a file. I have already designed my thumbnail, so I'm just going to go and pick a thumbnail in my video in my folder. So automatically the thumbnail just aligns on my video. So the next thing you're going to see is playlist. So you're going to select a playlist. You can see that I have different playlists down here. So select the one that appropriately fits into your video. Now the next option you're going to see says this video is set to not made for kids, because this video is not made for kids. So I decided to set it that way. It's automatically set that way. If you have been uploading videos severally, automatically this just gets to set that way. Okay, so if you want your video made for kids, you can just select this, check this option here. But if it's not made for kids, you just check it again, and then it shows not made for kids. If you're uploading your videos on the other YouTube app, you're not going to see some of these options, but because you're using your Google Chrome, it gets to show you more features to use. So I'm going to click on show more down here, and then we're going to scroll up. Paid promotion. If you have any paid promotion in your video, you're going to check this box right here, but if you do not, then you have to let it be that way. Then altered content. Do any of the following describe your content? Make a real person appear to say or do something they didn't say or do. All of those fake stuff. So if you have any of those AI generated stuff, you can check any of these, but because I do not have it, I'm going to say no. And then the following one says automatic chapters. Now this one, it automatically generates chapters for your channel. If you go to the comment section of any video and you see that there's written 0 point something, and then you see the name, 2 point something, you see the name, and it goes on and on and on like that, this is what that means. So if you want the YouTube algorithm to automatically generate your chapters for you, you're going to check that box, leave it checked in. Featured places. Now these are public places like restaurants and shops. We don't display your current location or other private info. So if you have any of those places featured in your video, then viewers can just click it to highlight in the comment section. Viewers can just click it and then go find those places. And then the second one says allow automatic places, right? Then you allow that. Then the next one says automatic concept. So for instance, I mentioned vidIQ in my video, or I mentioned somebody like Gary V in my video, or I mentioned somebody like Mr. Beast in my video. Maybe by just mentioning those names right now, if you go to the comment section of this video, you will see that maybe Gary V is highlighted in the comment section, sorry, in the description section, or Mr. Beast is highlighted in the description section. So this is what this means, this automatic concept. So if you mention anything in your video, it brings it up in the description section so that people can just go there and look at it in case they do not understand what that means. For instance, something like vidIQ, TubeBuddy, time, space, and all of that. So the last one is tags. So I'm going to remove those tags because they do not have anything related to my video, and I'm going to type in a new set of tags. I already have my tags written out, so I'm just going to paste it. And then the next thing you're going to see is language and caption certification. So mine is set in English, and that's fine by me. License distribution. If you're using the other app, you're not going to see some of these options, but right here you can see all of these options, and these are the things that you need to put in place in order for your videos to go viral, in order for the algorithm to actually know what your video is all about. So here you have license distribution. Here it's written standard YouTube license. Please leave it that way because basically every other person on YouTube have it this way. Then public to subscriptions, feed and notify subscribers. If your subscribers are watching your videos, leave it this way. But if your subscribers do not watch your videos, you will want to check that out, uncheck it. But if your subscribers are watching your video, just leave it that way so that the video you upload is going to go straight to your subscribers and they are going to see it first before any other person. Then short remixing. Allow people to remix your shorts, allow only audio remixing, or do not allow remixing. That is your choice. And then here is category. Now you're going to select the category of your content. If it's autos and vehicles, comedy, education, entertainment, film and animation, gaming, how to, and style. So go on and 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 so forth. So you get to choose the appropriate category where your content fall under. So I'm going to select how to and style. So that will be it, and then we're going to click on next. So right here you're going to see monetization. So if your channel is monetized at this point, you'll be able to turn on monetization. And if your video is longer than 8 minutes, right here you are given options to add adverts into your video. But because this video is not up to 8 minutes long, I'm only allowed to turn on monetization. So we're going to click next. And then this page actually highlights a couple of things that could be in your video, but here none of these things are in my video. But let me just read that. It says inappropriate language, adult content, violence, shocking content, and so on and so forth. So none of this is in my video, so I'm going to select none of the above just below here, and then you're going to submit that. So you can see that there's a whole lot here that you are not going to see on the other side if you're using the YouTube streaming app or the YT Studio to upload your video. So on this page, you're going to see add subtitles. I do not have subtitles at the moment. And then you can see add end screens. Now, end screens actually help people to watch more of your video. And then I talked about end screen in another of my videos. So go ahead and watch that video. You're going to see basically everything I talked about end screen. So you want to drag this button here all the way down towards the end of the video, because that is where you want your end screens to show. And then I made in this very video, I made mention of a particular video, so I want that particular video to pop up towards the end of my video, and the video happens to do with search engine optimization. So that is the video that I'm going to put right here. So I want to select this one that says one video, one subscribe. So right there, I'm going to select that, and then you can see right there, see appearing on the screen on the right corner right there. So then I'm going to click on show element. So I'm going to click on element because I want a particular video. If I leave it like this, you can see that it says best for viewers. So the YouTube algorithm is automatically just going to select anything, but I want a specific video. So this is what I am going to choose. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to select a specific video, and the video I talked about search engine optimization right there. So you can see that I've already selected the video that I want, and then we're going to click save. The next option talks about adding cards. So you would want to add cards onto your video. I like my cards to appear somewhere around 2 minutes right there. So you can see that the card is appearing somewhere above my head. So I'm going to select a playlist. You would want a playlist so that when somebody click on that playlist, they keep looping your video. You can see the card appearing there, YouTube SEO mastery options. So you can just save that, and then you move to the next option which says next. And then right here the video is almost done. It says no copyright, and then it's add suitability, and you can see that all these green options are ticked right here. So that's to say that my video has no issues, and then I can go ahead and click next. But I do not want my video to go live almost immediately. I want it to take a little time, because by doing this, it allows the algorithm to actually gather all the metadata from your video and know who exactly to show your video to. So I'm going to schedule my video. So if you want your video to be private, you select private. If you want it to be unlisted, you select unlisted. If you want it to be your members only, you select members only in this box right here. But if you don't want it to go public almost immediately, like I want to schedule it, you see down here it says schedule. So somewhere around here, these are the things that I'm talking about. There's private, there's unlisted, there's members only, there's public, and right here it's schedule. So I want to schedule my video. So as at the time of making video, it was 26th of November. So I'm going to go there and I'm selecting 26th of November. It is 10 minutes past 9 right now, but I want the video to go up by 10 a.m. This can be a little bit tricky when you're using your phone, so kindly take your time, do not rush. Okay, and so I'm going to go straight. I'm scrolling, so I'm just dragging my finger on the screen to be able to scroll through these options. So I want my video to go up by 10 a.m. So right there I select 10 a.m. and then it is set. Okay, so I'm going to click down here which it says schedule. So I've already scheduled that video, and then it's going to save. So you can see that all of the process is done. So I'm going to click close, and then I'm going to go over here to my YT studio. They already sent me I'm going to come to my content, and I'm going to click view all, and you can see that the video is right here. If you wake up feeling YouTube hates you, fix this. Now the video is right there. You can see that there's a clock sign there showing that the video is scheduled to come up later in the day. So thank you for watching, and make sure you do this for all of your videos, and trust me, your videos will start getting recognized by the algorithm. This is the proper way to upload your videos.